Hey, what up there, you guys? How you guys doing? Welcome to today's adventure. It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. For those who's new to the channel, make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification. Today I'm here down Maryland. We're gonna go check out this cool overlook and see what we can check out in this cool place here. This place is actually fooded up. I actually found the last parking that was in the parking lot back there, and right here I'm just getting started with the trail. And hopefully the overlook has a nice couple spots that we could sit up there and enjoy it. Hopefully it ain't too packed up there. But so far getting started, looks very beautiful, this park here. So just right here, coming up to a street here, and I'm gonna have to cross this thing, make sure we're nice and safe. There's no outlet on this side, so there shouldn't be that many cars coming from that way. But just going up these little stone steps here, and the trail starts up here because I can see a sign that's just up here in this corner. They got some little orange posties up here, so to see what that says. So they're just letting people know that the footbridge is actually closed. And this is about for the people that stay in here for like shelters and the campsites. They're actually gonna be having that closed because of coronavirus stuff going around. Let's see how it is up here. The trail starts up here. I'm actually following the white markings here. And this is actually part of the Appalachian Trail. So we're gonna be following some of the Appalachian Trail. I'm not too sure if the Appalachian Trail goes all the way up to the overlook, but we're gonna find out right now once we get up here, up to the overlook, or close enough to the overlook. And so far it's not that many people right here getting started. The people that was in the parking lot back there where we parked at was part of the people that was here already since this morning. Yeah, because I started this trail a little bit later than I usually start trails. I usually come to trails like probably like 7 in the morning and start hiking. But today I actually started like around, I think, what time? Let me let you guys know what time it is. It's 12:30 right now, so I actually started kind of late. So we're gonna get up to this overlook probably like around, it's a 2-mile trail, or 1.5 I think it was. So we should be up here in probably like an hour or two. But we're gonna go up here, and once we get up here to this overlook, we're gonna try and enjoy it up here and just relax and just soak in all the beauty up there. I can actually see some people coming down now. Come around here, all these rocks. Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, you?
Good, and yourself?
Oh, not bad.
Coming up to some like double markings up here, so coming up to like a turn. Remember in my last few videos, I was actually showing y'all guys what these little markings right here mean. So just right here, it's the double markings, and whatever angle the markings are aiming towards, that's the angle you're gonna be turning. So it's turning towards over here, towards the left. So that's the way we're gonna be turning going up. I probably sound like I'm losing my breath because I am walking uphill right now. So the elevation is getting a little bit higher now. We're about probably like a quarter way from the road down here. So there was a lot of cars down there at the parking lot. I thought it would have been a lot of people here, and we would have been running into a lot of people. So far we just ran into the 2 people that was there with the dog, and haven't seen nobody else yet. That's a good thing. I'm not saying like I want to see people and stuff, because I love coming to nature and love enjoying it when there's no one around, because you can actually hear the wildlife and stuff. But it is peaceful though, I'll tell you that. This is a nice little spot here. I know in the summertime this place probably like all bushed up, all these trees here probably make it hard to see anything. It ain't a wide trail. It is like a mid trail though, so it does probably get a nice amount of traffic here in the summer just by looking at the path here. I can see some other double markings just up here, so I know we're gonna be doing like another turn up here, and I can actually see some more people coming down. It's like another little group up there coming down. I don't know if you guys can really hear me as clear because I had to put the face mask on. because I seen like the parking lot was full, so I didn't want to be out here breathing in air that is not good for us, especially around this time with this coronavirus stuff going around. But coming up here, these are little double markings here I was talking about, just here on this tree, and now it's facing towards the right. The top one's facing the right, so that's the one. It's gonna let us know if we're gonna turn. So there goes the people coming down.
Wait, after? You know what?
How y'all doing?
Good, man.
How y'all doing? Some more people up here coming down. So it's like everybody's making their way out while I'm making my way up here to the top. Hopefully by the time I get up there, there ain't nobody up there. Hey, how you doing? Started getting hot. I had to take off the jacket. I should have left that jacket inside the car because it wasn't really that cold. But I thought from I was coming up here to this overlook, it was gonna get a little chilly up here. So hopefully it's not. I just put my jacket inside the book bag, so I should be good. I'm lucky it fit, because if not, I would have had to been holding that thing. But this trail is crazy. There's a whole bunch of rocks throughout the trail here, so I gotta keep like my eyes more towards the ground, because I ain't trying to hurt myself here by tripping or anything. But from right here I can start seeing like little peaks of like a river down there, and I think that's gonna be a view from the overlook up there. Hey, how y'all doing? I see some more double markings up here, and you can see the water down there a little better. It's starting to open up a little bit more here. And like I said, it wasn't going to be a long trail. This is only like a 2 mile or 1.5 mile trail, I think it was, if I'm not mistaken. But it's gonna be worth it once you get up here. It's a little steep, so that's what kind of wears you out, just the hill going up. But once you get up here, it should pay off, because the pictures I've seen, it looks like it was amazing. It's actually my first time coming here checking this place out, so we're gonna see it together. And here goes, it's still winding up. They got double markings here, but they put it towards the floor. Just keep winding up. Gotta turn again right here towards the right now. You can see we're starting to go higher now. I don't know from the side you guys can see. I think it's starting to get higher and higher, the elevation. And it's turning again up here. So all we doing is just like winding around, going up to, I guess, the top up there. At the bottom, they were saying that this area right here actually has bears and stuff. So I doubt we're gonna see any, but it would be cool if we definitely could run into one. I'm not too close or anything, but it would be cool if we could run into a bear though. But I doubt we is, so hopefully we do, but I doubt we is. So many people out here. The animals are more scared than anything, so right now they probably like hiding. I know we're getting close because you don't see no more mountains, and I can actually see like another crossing sign up here with 2 different trails crossing that up here. So Let's check that out, see what direction we gotta go towards. So actually, this is a little wide spread off here. If you continue going towards this way right here, that's continuing on with the Appalachian Trail going north. As you can see right here, that's the Appalachian Trail going north. And to get to our overlook is actually towards over here. So we're gonna go over here, follow this. These are the blue markings, and that's gonna lead us to our overlook that we came here for. Just over here in this corner. So we coming over here and it's starting to look like it's opening up. So again, a little wider on this corner here. I should have brought my hammock so I could have chilled up here on the hammock. Every time I want to bring the hammock, I always forget. But this would have been probably a cool spot with all these trees up here to just relax. Still following these little blue markings here. And I can actually see somebody over there enjoying the view. But we following these little blue markings and we're gonna go check it out for ourselves. So let's go down here and let's go check this overlook out just over here in this corner at the bottom here. And here it goes, guys. It's just a couple more steps down so we can check out this amazing overlook that's here. So let's go. So guys, before we wrap this video up, I found something cool right here on top of this overlook. So right here I actually found some old carvings from 1921. There's some old initials right on top of it. I think that's an E. Next to that, I think that's an L and a W. And then got some more carvings here. You can barely see it's kind of like fading away slowly by slowly. And yeah, this is the last look of the overlook here. I hope y'all guys enjoyed watching it. Had an amazing time coming up here to the top of this hill to check out this overlook. I hope you guys enjoyed it also too. If y'all guys did, please do me a favor, smash that thumb buttons up. Go turn on the notification bell so you guys get posted with the next adventures. But I'm about to wrap it up here. See you guys next time. So peace, and I'll see y'all in the next adventures.